Hi guys, you already know what time it is. It's time for another farming video, and you're here with your girl Suzie, and welcome to Suzie Jamaica Vibes. Now I'm just walking through local grass, that's all, and the pumpkin up on the next road, so you know it's a Jew water lick. So welcome to the farm. Welcome to the farm. Now in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I fertilize my tomatoes, and see after the tomatoes sink how it come up healthy and pretty. Well, that's the idea I want to weed out. Yes guys, me walk from far so I sound tired. Tomato growing I want to weed out still, so I'm gonna have to get that weed, but I'm gonna fertilize it first. So you see after them sink how them come up nicely. Yeah, they're coming along nicely, and these are the cucumbers. So this side is already grass and weed out, but the side over there so one grass and weed out too. So you see them catch pretty after them after I sink them guys. Take away the long legs. Jam this machete right there. Put down my bucket. Show you guys what's going on. Up at the top there I'm getting it clear so I can plant the broccoli that I have in trays at home. Yeah, so up there so I'm gonna plant the broccoli. I'm gonna get that outside of broccoli burn out and plant some string bean there. I mean the cabbage are cutting, I'm still getting some head out of the cabbage, and the lettuce over there my guan. So let's get into this guys. Show you guys what's happening. Look at there. And pretty man, they just look so different from before after sinking them, because they're catching new root and such. So they're getting so pretty, man. And there's a blossom on one. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna go over and show you guys my sister broccoli. Her broccoli is so beautiful, yo. Very, very beautiful. So may I walk over? Oh, I'm sure. So guys, look at there. Being that they went through the storm and all that, look at them. They're so pretty, man. They're coming along very nicely. See, those are the broccoli heads. They're coming along so nicely. You can see that. Few nice heads. And you see in the morning they take dew. What you want to do, you want to beat off these dews. I think that the head to rot. And you don't want that. So there's a few big heads in here. I mean, these can cut next week for sale. Yeah, they sure can. So yes guys, so guys, I was weeding the lettuce the other day, but I still have some more to weed. Lettuce are coming along very nicely. See, they're rolling. I gave them some urea the other day, but today I'm going to fertilize them with 11-22 fertilizer. So that will set them off, and that'll be the last fertilizer I'll be giving the lettuce. So they still need a bit of weeding. They're coming along, as I said, they're coming along very nicely. So lettuce are great for like salad and all these things. They're very healthy to eat. If you're on a diet or if you're just trying to keep healthy, you can eat lettuce. Good thing guys, whenever you're fertilizing any plant, you want to make sure the fertilizer does not touch the plant. So you want to keep your hand away from the part with the fertilizer, away from the leaves, so it flows like that. And if anything drop on the leaves, you want to make sure to knock it off so that it don't stay there, because trust me, it will burn the plant. I cannot emphasize enough guys, do not let the fertilizer get on the plant's leaf or near to the root. You see how far from the root I have through the fertilizer? me show you guys. This is how far from the root. I'm gonna use a stick. So this is the root of the plant right here. Get all up in there. Give me a minute, guys. So this is the root of the plant. So that's how much. So this is how much you want to keep the fertilizer away from the plant. Now guys, I'm starting the fertilization process. This is a Diamond A 112222 fertilizer, and it's very different. No, it's not Diamond A. I think it's Diamond R. I don't know what's going on, but it's a different packaging and everything. This is not a promotional video. Let me remind you guys. I'm just telling you what I use. So this is 112222. I'm gonna show you guys the pocket afterwards. Yes, my gloves is kind of dirty because I was using it to weed, and I didn't carry the next gloves that I used to fertilize, the blue and black one. Didn't bring that one today, so I have to use this one that I use for weeding and cutting grass. Now, as I said before, I'm using Diamond R 112222. Look very different from the last one, from the Diamond A. I'm not sure if it's the same brand or what, but I'm going to show you guys the pocket that it comes in. Let me just cut this up here, show you guys what it looks like. So now, this is a white bag, and as you can see, it says Diamond R Fertilizer Company, wara. Last one, the Diamond A, was in a white bag with some kind of green on it. This is different from the one I used to use. So let me go back down and show you guys how far apart I put the fertilizer. Now when you fertilize your tomato, remember tomato roots spread all over, so you want to take up some like this. You don't want to drop it one place, you want to scatter it around. So you scatter it around like that, and there you have it. I'm not sure how this fertilizer works though. It's the first time using it. So can you guys comment and tell me anything about this fertilizer? If you guys know anything about it, comment and tell me. And it also has some little different colors in it. Diamond A was like brown and white and red, but this is just, I don't know guys. You even have some little blue colors in it. Anyways, just want to say to you guys, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, share this video with all your friends, and comment, share. Now, thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.